Hello, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, and today we're going to take a look at the 2018 190 SPX Outboard. You can see we've ordered the blue hull sides, the wakeboard tower, the tan and white interior. We also ordered this with the 150 Mercury 4-stroke. This also has the upgraded stainless steel package. If you'd like to take a look at this boat in person, come to Wrightsville Beach, MarineMax. My name is Scott Douglas and my telephone number is 910-200-9636. Thanks a lot for watching.